An enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, affects millions of men worldwide. And while it's not cancerous, it can seriously disrupt your day-to-day life. We're talking about things like constant trips to the bathroom, especially at night, sudden urgent need to urinate, pressure or discomfort in your lower belly or pelvic area. But here's the encouraging part. You don't always need medication to feel better. In many cases, simple lifestyle changes, especially the right kind of exercise, can help ease symptoms naturally and support a healthier prostate over time. In today's video, we're going over 3 of the most effective exercises for prostate support. These movements are simple, low impact, and easy to add to your daily routine, but the results can be powerful. So stick with me to the end, because we're not just talking workouts. We're talking about reclaiming energy, reducing discomfort, and living life on your terms again. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community, where we share practical, science-backed tips to help you feel your best and take charge of your health. Before we jump into the exercises, here's a quick reminder. To get the best results, make sure you're pairing these movements with a few key habits. A prostate-supportive diet packed with whole, nutrient-rich foods. Daily physical activity, even if it's just a brisk walk. Maintaining a healthy body weight, and of course, following your doctor's advice. Because prostate health isn't about quick fixes, it's about creating long-term habits that support your body from the inside out. Ready to take the first step? Let's dive into the top exercises that can help you reduce symptoms, boost your energy, and feel more in control every day. You deserve to feel strong, capable, and comfortable in your body. And it all starts with movement. Exercise 1. Yoga and Pilates for pelvic floor power and total body balance. You might think of yoga and Pilates as just stretching or gentle movement, but when it comes to prostate health, they're absolute powerhouses. Both of these practices focus heavily on core strength, posture, breathing, and pelvic floor control, which is especially helpful if you're dealing with frequent urination or a weak urine stream. Certain yoga poses and Pilates moves help relax tight pelvic muscles, improve circulation, and strengthen the muscles that support the bladder and prostate. Think of it like retraining your lower body to function more efficiently. Here are a few great moves to try. Bridge pose yoga strengthens your glutes and pelvic floor. Pelvic tilts, Pilates, loosens up the lower back and gently activates your core. Cat-cow stretch, yoga, improves spinal flexibility and reduces tension in your hips. Even just 10 to 15 minutes a day can help reduce pressure, improve bladder control, and promote a calmer, more balanced nervous system, something your entire body and prostate will thank you for. Exercise 2. Kegel exercises. When it comes to managing an enlarged prostate, Kegel exercises are an absolute game changer, strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, the hidden foundation of your core, can dramatically improve urinary control, ease discomfort, and even boost sexual health. Here's how to get started. First, you need to find your pelvic floor muscles. The easiest way is to imagine trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. The muscles you engage are your pelvic floor. Once you've identified them, the basic exercise is simple yet incredibly effective. Squeeze and lift the pelvic floor muscles. Hold the contraction for about 3 to 5 seconds. Relax the muscles completely for another 3 to 5 seconds. Repeat for 10 to 15 repetitions to complete one full set. For the best results, aim for 3 to 4 sets per day. The great thing about Kegels is that you can do them almost anywhere, while sitting at your desk, lying in bed, or even standing in line. Just one important tip. Although you locate the muscles by stopping urine flow, do not practice Kegels while actually urinating. Doing so can confuse and weaken the muscles over time, which is the opposite of what you want. Stronger pelvic floor muscles don't just improve bladder control, they can also enhance sexual function, increase stamina, and help prevent urinary incontinence. It's a small daily habit that can create a huge positive impact on your quality of life. And over time, you'll notice stronger control, better comfort, and greater confidence in your daily activities. Exercise 3. Strength training. Last but certainly not least, strength training. Building and maintaining muscle through strength training isn't just about looking good. It's a critical tool for supporting prostate health and overall well-being as you age. Regular resistance exercises help preserve muscle mass, enhance metabolism, improve hormonal balance, and promote healthy testosterone levels, all of which can play a role in easing the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. In fact, research shows that men who engage in consistent strength training often experience better urinary control, reduced inflammation, and stronger pelvic support, making everyday activities much easier and more comfortable. Some powerful strength exercises to include in your routine are push-ups, excellent for building upper body and core strength; pull-ups, fantastic for developing back and arm muscles, boosting posture; squats, a must for strong legs, hips, and a stable pelvic floor; lunges, great for balance, flexibility, and strengthening the glutes and thighs; planks, target the entire core, improving spinal support and pelvic stability; deadlifts, one of the best full-body movements to build strength safely when done with proper form. Beyond physical benefits, strength training also plays a huge role in mental health. It can lower cortisol, stress hormone levels, increase endorphins, feel-good chemicals, improve sleep quality, and boost your overall mood, all of which are vital when managing a chronic condition like BPH. Important reminder, when starting or adjusting a strength training routine, especially if you haven't exercised in a while or have prostate symptoms, it's crucial to work with a qualified professional and consult your doctor to ensure the exercises are safe and suitable for your needs. The goal isn't to lift the heaviest weights. It's about consistency, proper form, and gradual progress to support both your prostate health and your quality of life. Quick tips for better prostate health. Before starting any new workout program, especially if you're managing a medical condition, consult with your healthcare provider to make sure it's safe for you. That's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Take care of yourself, stay active, and have an amazing. See you next time.